Hey guys, it's 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, I'm wearing a button-down shirt, I'm filthier than your average YouTube host, and it can only mean one thing, that it's time for another installment of Pilgrim Motorsports Feel Good Friday. And here we are in a lovely, lovely shop, as we often are. Over the last couple of weeks we showed you a few different cars, so we're going to touch base on those and see where we've gone. Let's start off with our lovely 1999 Dodge Viper here, which we did a showcase on a couple weeks back, and it is just a beautiful car. Over the last couple weeks, we've done some upgrades on it. It's come in for a full service, had that done, of course. It's had competition brakes fitted to it, EPC turbo groove brakes with yellow stuff pads. Really, really gorgeous. We got some good shots of those. I'm sure Matt, with your excellent editing skills, you'll throw those in right about now. You guys can see them at home for yourself, because they are a thing of beauty. And just yesterday, it's had a baller exhaust system fitted to it, and this thing sounds absolutely amazing now. It is just one of the many, many things that we do here at Pilgrim Motorsports to make your Fridays feel a little bit better. Spencer here from Pilgrim Motorsports. I'm in the official Pilgrim hot tub today, which is in the form of a 1965 Mustang. Of course, there's usually an engine in this car, but not today because it's time for an engine swap, kids. So we're here next to the official engine hoist, which means only good things. We popped the existing 289 out of this Mustang. Of course, still a beautiful engine, V8 goodness, but through the magic of television, there's one here I prepared earlier, which is a Stroker 302. It's been stroked out to 347 cubic inches and dynoed at over 400 horsepower. This has come from Blueprint in America. Excellent top-level engine manufacturers. It's got an electronic ignition system on it and a Holley double pumper on it. These things run about $7 grand for them installed here. We do them in shop plus VAT and all the existing charges beyond that, but it's an absolutely beautiful way to put a little bit more into your Mustang, and we like that here at Pilgrim Motorsports. So we'll give you a little tour of this guy. When it comes back, when it's all ready to go, when it's ready to rip, we'll let you hear the thunder of it. But for now, we leave you in the goodness that is the workshop of an engine swap, because it's like the most fun thing you can do with the car. So the other day, guys, we had the engine out of this 65 Resto mod. We popped in our 347 cubic inch stroked out Blueprint crate motor. As you can see, it has replaced me in the engine bay. It is now very powerful and very, very intrepid indeed. Over the next few days, we're going to kind of get this back up into running shape. We're going to get it going. And we're going to make the fury and the power that it so richly deserves. Alongside that, with this car, we're doing a few more upgrades while it's here. We're going to throw in a limited slip differential too. We've had the diff out today. We're getting ready for that. And it's going to have a 4-link rear end put into it. So it's going to be very, very nice spec, very customized, and very, very good at making noise and going fast, as we like to do things here at Pilgrim Motorsports. Now, today we've had another car come in, which is on the modern spectrum of the Mustang. It's a 2017 Ecoboost Mustang that we've made infinitely more fun and cool. Let's go check that one out. Consideration, we have here the Blue Mustang, indeed, with 2 O's, that's how you know it's good. It's a 2017 2.3 Ecoboost Mustang that's coming to have some work done on it today. We've done a full service on it. It's been fitted with a set of straight dope lowering springs, so it now has this excellent mean stance to it. And it's got a front splitter put on it that we've done today. A few little upgrades, a few little things, but just overall enhancing the enjoyability and the beauty of one of these cars. And again, We do it all here at Pilgrim Motorsports. If you guys have a Mustang, any year, any range, any American car, even if the wheel's on the wrong side, we can make it more excellent for you. Mark my words, kids. Many exciting things going on at the factory today. Keep an eye on the social media page to see what's coming up and going on. We've had a good week, we've had a fun week. I'm covered in dirt, I'm covered in filth. I'm gonna go drink a beer. We're gonna have a good weekend. For myself, Spencer, for everyone here at Pilgrim Motorsports, and for the cars themselves, because they are as much fun as we are. You guys have a great weekend. Don't you go changing. We'll see you next time.